Hey guys, it's Isabella today. If you guys seen, I sang two songs today. The one you say nothing at all, and I could sing "Of Your Love Forever." But today I'm going to be showing you my two slimes that I made. I just ripped them apart and put a color in one and no color in this one. But I'm going to be doing the slimes today. Showing you guys the slimes today. These were testing slimes, so in my next video, I'm going to be doing a purple sparkly slime. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I can't open it. Okay, so my slime, I'm going to open it. Okay, hold on, let me get it. This is my slime, and it's so squishy and stretchy. I just want to play with it all day, but I can, but I'm not gonna mostly play with it all day. I could play with my blue one too, but tomorrow it's gonna be clear, and then when I make my purple slime tomorrow, I'm going to be showing you my testing slimes again to see if they if the blue turned translucent and this turned clear. So yeah, this is so cool, and I love the texture to it. So you guys should really make it. All you have to do is, like, it was on the TV and stuff. So, like, all you guys have to do is get clear Elmer's glue. That's what I did for my translucent slime. And then with my sparkly one, I am going to do glitter glue slime, which I got these from Walmart, and they're all in one section. The baking soda, the contact solution, the food coloring, and then the Elmer's glue. So yeah, they're all in one place to make slime. And yes, it feels so good on my hands. I could even make a big mustache. It's so stretchy and squishy. Now I'm going to show you my other slime. See. Okay, so here, it's really hard to open this because of my nails. So here is my blue slime, which I love, and then it's so squishy. So if you leave it in here, like the contact solution gets to the bottom, kind of, and then it just soaks back into the slime, which makes it really squishy. I love it. But it smells so gross. Woo! It's so stretchy. I messed up. I'm saying that. My mom's over here laughing, no. But she doesn't want me to show you to her because she's just scared of the camera. She's never been on YouTube before. This is my first time. I just started today on my first YouTube channel. So yeah, this is so fun to play with though. And then I really want sequences for this because it's really plain, just plain. I just unfolded this. Hold on. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry, Rusty. Let's go get your screwdriver right now so I can ask you if I can borrow it. It's like stretching out. This is so fun to play with. So super duper stretchy and squishy, and it's like what do you call it? A jump rope when you just do this, but this is how it stretches. And then I can just start falling. This is so cool, and I love it a lot. That's cold. Okay, so if you guys want, you can make this slime if your mom and dad let you. My mom and dad let me for my birthday because my birthday was a few days ago. This Chromebook was for my birthday party and making slime and YouTube videos for my birthday party.
Oops, I messed it up.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let's start recording again.
So yeah, my mom just stopped telling us it up when she was wiping something off of my Chromebook. We'll fix it after we're done with my YouTube video though. This is so fun. Okay, let's see. Ew. It's like ripped apart in a bunch of pieces. I have to like squish it a lot to make it better. Huh? Whatever. I don't know what you just said. Sorry, my mom was talking to me. And I didn't hear what she said because she didn't want to interrupt my YouTube video, so yeah. She's really laughing. And played this one again, and now it's super squishy and wet. As you can see, some of the contact solution got to the bottom, which is making it super squishy, but it didn't suck in all the contact solution. I'm just gonna set it over here. Look at my hands. Ah! My hands look white. I'm just gonna wipe it off. Okay, there. I kind of got it. This is so squishy, but I'm just gonna put some more. I'm just gonna get it picked. Anyways. Ow. Okay. And ow. Ew. I'm gonna have to fix my ring. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and look at the comments below. Bye. Hold on. Sometimes I always have to do this.
Gosh.